Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought I would do another swatch video. I was looking at my collection and I saw that I had a lot of the NYX Butter Glosses. So I thought, why not? And also like I went back and there was a shade I really wanted. So yeah, I thought let's do another swatch video. I know they've been out for like a million years, but like I said in my last swatch video, like I'm still looking online to see like what the shade looks like, and they're still coming out with new shades. I don't know how new they are, but like to be honest, in Canada here we don't get a lot of shades here compared to like a lot of shades that I see online, but there's always a website and everything, so it's not like it's not available. Yeah, so I don't know, I was just looking at some shades and I was like, oh, this one is new. And also like a few of them I got from a set. I think like the orange one and like this one I got from a set, because obviously a shade like this for a gloss, like I would never, to be honest, but I thought, you know what, this is different, it comes in a set, so why not? You can always get some sets during the holidays, like since the holidays are coming pretty soon, so you guys, you never know, just in case you guys were wondering. So like I said in my last video, I'm doing a swatch video because they're still on trend. They're still like really good glosses. They work through time, like it's been at least 10 years, maybe even more, since they came out, and I still reach for them. So I thought if you guys are like me and still looking for like different shades or like what it looks like on a different skin tone, you never know, you know, so that's why I'm doing this video. A little review of these. They're really good, honestly. Like I said, I still reach for them. They're really like super glossy. I have one on right now. It's like a lip combo that I have on right now. It's not just a gloss, just so you guys know. I have a lipstick under and lip liner of course. But the gloss that I have on top is the gloss. You can see how glossy it is, and it's not sticky. The formula is not thick. It's not like when you go like this, it's like really comfortable all throughout. And they, unless you eat, obviously, it's a gloss, they will stay shiny for a couple of hours. No, actually more than a couple of hours, like a few hours. If you just talk and not eat, like they will stay on. What I love about these glosses also is that they have a tint, which is pretty obvious. It's not super obvious, not super opaque to the fact like it will completely change your whatever combo you have on, but it's enough of a tint so it kind of switches up like the lipstick. Like let's say for today I used my First Nude by L'Oreal lipstick, and I thought, you know what, it's too pink. So what I did, I used like a gloss on top that was a bit more nude, and this is how it turned out. So you can see like you can still change, and also if you want to change like the undertone of your lip combo, whatever, so it still has a tint to it. So that's what I love about these ones, but not enough to like completely change your lip combo, because otherwise I would just do like lip liner and lip gloss, which you can, by the way. It's just that sometimes, you know, you just want to switch up the lip a little bit, so these glosses are perfect for that. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. I mean, at the end of the day, they're glosses, so I don't know what more you expect from a gloss. So for this video, I'm gonna do the same thing as I did last time. I'm gonna do a hand swatch, I'm gonna do a lip swatch without lip liner, and then another one with lip liner. I have 6 shades to swatch. These are the shades I have to swatch. I'm not gonna do any lip combos. Basically, all I'm gonna use is my lip pencil by Colourpop in the shade Control. This is the lip pencil that I always use. So let's just get started.
You give some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Okay guys, so that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this lip swatch. Like you guys saw, we swatched a few of the butter glosses by NYX. Like I said before, I love them. Like I always reach for them, whether it's just like put on throughout the day so my lips stay kind of moist and like hydrated. They're not meant to be hydrated, but I still feel like it really helps. If you guys have like recommendation, like I love these two. I really love Tiramisu, and I just bought Butterscotch. So if you guys know any of them that are like really nude, let me know, because I feel like sometimes I always go for pink, and I just want to like stay in my nude like era, kind of like this one. I really love it. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what you thought of the video. If you have any comments, don't be shy, leave them down below. I always answer my comments. Like if you like the video, subscribe if you like the video also, if you want to see more from me and don't want to miss anything. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. If you guys are interested in this makeup look, I did film it. It's gonna be like a reel, it's gonna be like a short reel, short, whatever you want to call it. And it's probably gonna be my next video, I think. So yeah, subscribe if you don't want to miss, and I'll see you in my next one, guys. I love you. Bye.